E is an interesting radical, and the shape is like an ear. It may appear on the left or right part of characters. If it's on the left, we call it fu, and it means a dam. If on the right, we call it yi, and it means a city. For more information, you may check radical 170 fu and radical 163 yi on Wikipedia. I'll leave the link in my description box. To quickly memorize it, we say 左父右翼. 左 is left, while 右 is right. You'll see it often in your future journey of writing Chinese, and I recommend you memorize it.